to completing the square, number 44. So I had 36x is equal to negative 4x squared minus 50. And so, so today when I do this problem, I won't do the extra step that I did yesterday. And I'll just move my 4x squared over to the other side. So I'm going to have 4x squared plus 36x is equal to minus 50. And if I'm going to complete the square, I have to have a 1 for my a. So I can't have any coefficient in front of my x squared other than 1. So I'm going to divide everything here by 4. So I will get x squared plus 9x is equal to negative 54ths, which would be negative 25 halves. So now I have everything all set up so that I can complete the square. I'm going to go plus blank and plus blank. And over here, I'm going to go b over 2 squared. So that would be 9 over 2 squared. Well, what should that be equal to? Now 9 over 2 would be, so that would be 81 fourths. Is that correct? Is that right? Yeah, 81 fourths. Okay. So I'm going to add 81 fourths to this side, and I'm going to add 81 fourths to that side. Well, I sure hope I get this one right. So this is going to turn into x plus 9 halves squared. And this side is going to turn into, so 81 minus 50 would be 31, right? This side is going to turn into 31 fourths. Everybody see how I did that? I just kind of, in my head, I turned my 25 fifths into, my negative 25 fifths back into 50 fourths so that I have a common denominator. So I could, add 81 and subtract 50. So that's how I got my 31 fourths. So let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of that, square root of that. So I'm going to wind up with x plus 9 halves is equal to plus or minus radical 31. I'm going to, again, take a quick step here over 2 because I can have radical 4 is the same thing as 2. Everybody with me on that? Okay with that? Okay. So now I'm going to subtract 9 halves from both sides. And I would wind up with x is equal to negative 9 plus or minus radical 31 all over 2. And hopefully that's my answer.